Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best solar AC unit for home use, the NPOCLK portable air conditioner. If you're searching for a compact, efficient, and versatile cooling solution, this could be the perfect fit for you. This portable air conditioner comes with a 1500 milliliter water tank, allowing for continuous operation of 6 to 8 hours without the need for constant refilling. Whether you fill it with just water or add ice cubes, it enhances the cooling effect significantly. What makes it stand out even more are its two spray ports that continuously release cool mist, effectively doubling the freshness in your space. The NPOCLK unit offers a multifunctional approach to cooling. It features a natural wind mode that works without water, blowing out cool air for those times when you just need a simple breeze. When the water runs out, it automatically switches back to this natural wind mode, so you're never left without airflow. This combination of cooling and misting is great for home, office, camping, or even your car. Controlling the unit is super easy thanks to both the onboard panel and a handy remote control. This means you can adjust settings without leaving your seat, making it convenient for any setting or lifestyle. It has 3 wind speeds, so you can customize how much air you want circulating. Another highlight is the vibrant RGB lighting system with 10 different colorful light options. This adds a unique ambiance to any room, doubling as a stylish night light. Plus, there's a timer feature that lets you set the device to run for 1, 3, or 6 hours, perfect for saving energy and ensuring a comfortable sleep environment. Even at its highest speed, the noise level remains under 55 decibels, meaning it won't disturb your peace or productivity. In terms of design, the NPOCLK portable air conditioner is compact and lightweight, measuring just 5.5 by 7 by 11.2 inches and weighing about 2.5 pounds. It's made from durable ABS material, ensuring it can withstand regular use while maintaining a sleek and modern look in white. Powered by an 8-watt motor and operating on a lithium polymer battery included in the package, this unit is energy efficient and ideal for personal spaces. The low power consumption makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to reduce electricity costs while staying cool. Included in the box is a user manual and the portable air conditioner itself, so you can get started right away. Whether you want to cool your bedroom, office, or take it with you on outdoor adventures, this unit is designed for maximum portability and convenience. In summary, the NPOCLK portable air conditioner combines functionality, convenience, and style in one compact unit. Its large water tank with misting capabilities, multiple speed settings, remote control, and colorful lighting make it a versatile choice for personal cooling. If you're after a solar-friendly, portable cooling solution that fits seamlessly into your daily life, this is definitely a product to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.